Hello, I bought this soft pastel storage case from Jackson's a little while ago. It's made from wood. It's kind of got a laminated wood top to it. Some metal hardware. And in both of the sides it's got an inner board and these clips. And then both sides have got 4 columns with foam glued in the bottoms. The inside boards are pretty sturdy. They look like they're made of MDF or something. So yeah, I'd like to fill that today. And these are the soft pastels that I've got to put in it. I've got a couple of sets of Unison. Then this Sennelier landscape set. I've got a couple of Jackson's soft pastels, like the fluorescent ones. And then I'm thinking I might as well include these Prismacolour NuPastels. These are a lot harder. Well, they're called firm pastel colour sticks. But at the moment when I do some soft pastel painting, I have all these separate boxes out, and I just thought it'd be nice to have them all in one case and streamline things a bit. I also bought these Terry Ludwig Best Love Basics set quite recently, and I haven't played around with them much yet, so I might just keep these separate for a while and just see how they operate as a set in themselves. But at some point I'll include those as well. I was a bit worried about not being able to identify individual colours in case I wanted to replace them, but I've got this chart, so when I'm running low I can always colour match to this chart and then I'll know what it is. But I haven't done charts for my Unison colours, so I've got this little landscape half stick, which I think is fantastic. Some great colours in it. But then in my other sets, I felt like I was missing some really good greys. So this is the grey 1 to 18 set and the grey 19 to 36 set. I've got the names and numbers on the back of here, but with these sets, the numbers are on the wrappers. I think what I'm going to do first is just quickly swatch these Unison pastels out and write down their numbers, and then I can just keep them alongside the one that I've already done for the Sennelier. Oh, I just think these are such nice colours for landscapes and skies. Not that the colours in the second grey set look particularly grey. Then I covered my swatch sheet with sticky back plastic to keep the dust trapped inside. And then the bit I've been dying to do, and putting them all together in the travel box. It was actually harder to arrange the colours than I thought. I think because you haven't just got different colours, but you've got different values from light to dark, unlike with watercolours. Then there's more to think about. So I'm just putting things roughly into colour sets that I think I'll find useful. But I haven't got enough space for all of the Prismacolour NuPastels. I think what I'll do is keep these separately, but maybe have a small chunk of each one in here, because I tend to just use lengths about that big anyway. And I'll keep the ends that have got the identifying numbers on. Well, I'll keep them in a smaller box. I'll see if they fit in one of these empty Unison boxes. Yeah, the remaining Prismacolour NuPastels fit in here nicely, and I've got the identification numbers for them all showing, so they can be stored out of the way now. I'm sure the order will get changed around a lot, but I've got creams and yellows here, and then I've got creams that are kind of slightly more orangey, and kind of the sandier creams with the oranges and reds, then the warm and the cool browns, all the greys. I've got the yellowy greens in this one, then turquoises, and then the kind of really greyed out greens, then blues, purples going up to pinks. I think actually I'll keep my Jackson's fluorescent ones separate. For one thing, these are completely fugitive. They faded away to nothing after a year, and also they're pretty broken up. Let's just see how the lids fit on now. The foam's quite deep and it's quite soft, so it's got quite a lot of capacity to compress down a bit and hold the pastels in place. So yeah, you have to push that down quite firmly and it compacts the pastels a bit. Well, I'm a bit nervous to close it up now. Alright, let's see how they fared when I open it up again. Yeah, pretty good. I like the patterns left on the foam. I'll try and keep them roughly in the same places so the colours don't transfer too much, but it's not the end of the world. Jackson's do a bigger size of this case as well, but I had read one review for it that said it's still only got the same amount of clips, well, one set per side, even though each side is a lot longer, and that their pastels had fallen out because the inside board had moved. So that was partly why I just got the smaller case. But yeah, I think I'm going to like that quite a lot. And it's going to save dragging out loads of different boxes every time. Thanks for joining me anyway. Bye!